Kyle would be a good asset too. No, for sure. Kyle's unhinged. Or Pratt, rather.
Give me goggle. Hey, what's up, man? Hey, man, coming through.
Oh my god. Hello. Howdy, Brett.
What am I looking at? Basically fixing this giant hole.
Hey, dude.
Hey, you. You were supposed to meet me at the Vespucci Canal. What do you mean you're in mirror?
Why is there LED overlapping here?
Hey there, Brad.
Why is all the LEDs showing? I removed all the Y maps.
Yeah, I lost you. No.
Oh, my fucking FPS, dude, is horrible. What the fuck could cause that? Oh, suffocate. I think I know what I'm gonna do, by the way. With my car stuff. I'm gonna extend and drive my my current one for another year, and then I'll buy an RS5 and use it as a project car. I wonder if it's because too much shit is loading. But fucking FPS is killing me. No?
Hey, boo. Hi.
I don't understand. Why is it showing the LOD when I haven't... When I don't have any Y maps? What could possibly make it show LODs? Can't believe Moon would do that. No. Let me stash these changes real quick and then check. Stash all changes. Bup, bup, bup. Finding fucking everything sometimes is fucking crazy. So much random stuff. Mm-mm-mm. This is dev work. This is how fun dev work is. A lot of restarting, a lot of fucking... Tiger Eye. Thank you so much for 5 months. And then it works and you change nothing. Yeah, that too. What the fuck just happened? Okay, so it's not a... So something is just kind of fucked around here. Ugh. Are we showing LODs always on the server too? Or is it because I'm running 2 instances and it's eating up all my fucking RAM? Or... not my RAM. My graphics memory. No? Okay. I'm gonna blame it on NS. Same. Or is it because I'm... maybe I'm missing something. No, I think I know what it is. I might be missing some other stuff. Let me try again. I might be missing other resources that have some files that are causing it to be acting up. Should I be scared if I go and do crime with Benji? You think Michael is gonna get in trouble? Surely not. Surely Benji isn't that much of a loose cannon. The funny thing is that what the fuck was it when they were dressing up like fucking Mandem, and we got into that entire chase, and Michael just kind of walked away while they were getting chased around. Trap House is looking for investors. Made PD shoot out my... Yeah, exactly. When are we getting into the new month? Okay, so yeah, I think it's because we're missing another resource. It might be from over here. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we are going to restore, and then I need to find is it interior maps and interior HQ. Oops, we don't need those two. Oh, this is gonna make the fucking server take even longer to boot up. All right. Let's try again. What am I working on? I can't even do that because I think the indexing on these are fucked up. We're working on or checking out something. Cleaning out the G6 area, basically. Nerfing the pit. Where's the... Which one is the HQ in? It might be this one. We'll see when it's done fucking loading. Bro, there's so many resources, it takes forever to load up. Did you tell me? No. Wait, so that one guy that actually knew how to work on the game is fired? So how are they gonna do anything with the game? I'm so confused. How's the APB still alive? There's like a small fan base that still plays it. Which is like really the only thing you need. It's still showing me. Why is it still showing the LEDs?
Hey, hey!
I can't figure out where the fuck those LEDs are coming from. EU has a bulk of the player base. I feel like they've always had the bulk of the player base though. I'm so confused. Yeah, shame. It's not a you thing though, Squid, because if I remove the resources, those LODs still show up. I wonder if I should update. Give me a sec. Maybe it's a recent thing. Stash all changes. Oh, it might be this. Yeah, there's some LED updates, so it might be what's causing that. Let me crash this. Let me reboot that. Do these not exist? Nope. Okay, so this one does. You know what I wish you could do? I wish you could fucking... I wish you could drag and drop Y maps. You can't drag and drop Y maps. Never mind. I take that back. Forget that I said that. Main assets. Is this floating thing normal? I feel like these are supposed to be up here. No, never mind. Wait, what are these supposed to be? It's edit CMD current. There you go. Wait, has this always been there? We should just make these static. Static entity. Why are they not static? A desk. These I could in theory delete. Because they're -1. Ah, fuck. God damn it. All right. Fuck me. I don't know what I deleted, but I deleted something I shouldn't have. Fuck it. This is not bueno. Okay, so save these. save project as. The server's up and running. All right, let's try again. Wait, why is this showing LOD? I'm so confused. Why is this still fucked? What is going on? I am so confused. Why is that doing that now? Okay, now it's gone. It makes 0 sense. Which one is it that's causing that? Okay, it's that one? Yeah, but why does it in game? I'm so confused about. There shouldn't be any LOD things. Whatever. All right, let's remove all these. I selected something I shouldn't have selected. Why? How did I? God, again. Oh, God damn it. Why am I doing it like this? I'm a dumbass. You know what? Delete those. Save that. Close. Open. Option. Render GTA map. There you go. Did you remove? Did you move this one down too? This one doesn't have a parent index, so in theory we can just straight up yeet. Fuck it. We ballin'. No parent index. No parent index. How does none of these have parent index? Indexes. What's a parent index? Parent index is it basically pointing to something else for LODs. So if you have a parent index, it basically means if you're parented to something else, it means that that item is parented to this thing that will then turn into an LOD that is parented. So if you break a parent, it basically breaks everything. Like this kind of. So this one has a parent index. So this one is linked to something in the LOD. So if I deleted this, it would just cause issues. Deletes his children too. That one, this one was part of a model, I think, so we can't even delete that one. And then I guess the static. Static. Did I forget that one? I guess I did. Get rid of the rubbish? But rubbish. Fine. No. Let me do the thing. Let me do the thing that this guy does as well. 2000. Where's navigation? Hello? There. All right. We're going coil style? No. We're going pirate software. All right. So say you have a tree. This is a tree, right? If when you have okay, so this, let's say this tree does not have a parent, so this is the -1 in the parent index. So if I delete this, it has nothing that it's tied to. But if we have a tree over here that has the parent index of just, let's say, 33, it means that in another file in a YMap, you have a different tree that is an LOD. So we have a tree that is now looking like this instead. Like a low quality tree, which is the child. So this is child number 33 or something. So these two are linked together. If I deleted this one, this link would break, and then everything else is just gone. It doesn't know what to look for because now 33 doesn't match with 33 over here because now we deleted this. So this is not now 33 that was over here is 32, or 34 is now 33, and then suddenly everything just gets messed around. So you have the main one, then you have the LOD, and then in this LOD you have that also goes back to an even lower version that is just like basically like this, which would also be tied to this one. So deleting this would break this, that would break this. So suddenly the only thing you see is everything is just being clay. It's probably one of the reasons why when you see the world not loading is because it's not able to load the building, and then it thinks the building isn't loaded, so it's showing the LOD. That is then showing the LOD. It leads to this. Say I broke an LOD. This is what we would be seeing. Here. This is what we would be driving around in, basically. Yeah, Play-Doh. Is there a reason for using that system? Yeah, I guess. Optimization. LOD is always about optimization. I think I can probably show it with this tree. So this tree right here is parent indexed to 468. If we go to LOD, and then we do option display index 468. So the best easiest way to say is we go to general, you have the LOD distance, meaning that if we go 313 units away from this tree, it will then kick over to the LOD, which is this one. As you can see, when I select it, it says over there, 468. And you can see the child is 313, meaning that LOD distance is 400, meaning that if we go to the next LOD, we now have that one, even lower quality. So I guess tree, lower quality tree. Even lower quality tree has a distance of 333 or 300 before it turns into this one that has a 400 LOD, which then turns into whatever this one is over here. It is just it is purely optimization. It's a weird way of doing it because I think in Unreal Engine you can basically make the model, and then we have models that have built-in LODs too, which is what you would assume that you normally would use, but I think there is more to it in terms of why they do it because if you have a model with embedded LODs, you would always load the entire model instead of only parts of it. So you will never fully unload something. Whereas if you do it like based on distance, you will fully unload something when you don't actually need it. Is there anything else I need to remove? I do kind of want to remove these. They're fucking annoying. Is that why the houses causes lag? Because there's no LED built into them? It's because you load everything in like an instant, and then it's a lot of small props, and a lot of small props is a lot of details, which just automatically takes up a lot of resources. I don't know. I could go into it more in detail, but my brain is not functioning right now, so if I would have to explain it. I guess one way you could explain it is whoops. Oh, 200%. There we go. All right, so I'm going to use something that is not a tree because I can't draw a tree for shit. I'm going to use a barrel. There we go. We have a barrel. So if you have built-in LODs, right? You can say that when you go at 200 meters, you would then have the low poly version of the barrel. And then when you go over here, the only thing you have is like a fucking square barrel, whatever. Wait, hold on, what am I doing? Let's see, 300 units. So the thing is though, when you have this, that means you have this model, and this model. These are always loaded. The second you see this, you will always have these three models. If you do it with a child, the only thing you would have loaded is the thing that you're seeing. So you will have the barrel loaded for the 200. Then when you get to this point over here, you will unload the normal high quality one, and you will only have the medium one until you go to the next one and you only load the shitty one. So in terms of like optimization, this is still better in terms of like how many pixels are, or how many not pixels, how many polygons are being used by your GPU. In terms of like all overall optimization, this one is best. Because up here you would have, say, this is a high quality barrel, plus the medium, plus the low, you would have 2,000 polys. Here you would have what? 1,500, 300, and 200 at each step, instead of having everything loaded at the same time. And say you have like 1,000 barrels, right? This is a lot. Plus the texture, yeah. So this is always the right way to do it. This isn't inherently incorrect because you're... Wait, what am I talking about? No, this is incorrect. I don't know what I'm saying. You're not rendering it all the time, but you are caching it. That's what I'm saying. This is why I'm not trying to explain, because my brain is cooked. This is incorrect. Whatever. Let's see if this works. Then you also have other optimization things that you can do. You have the occlusion, which basically means if you're behind something that has occlusion, it's not going to render the things that you're looking at. I feel like the way Rockstar has done it is ass backwards in some areas. I'm sure for the time it was probably fine, but then you have Unreal Engine with fucking nanites at this point, or whatever they call them, which just generates LODs and loads it in on the fly. And when you get to that point, like, this is just old tech. It's 10 years old at this point, so there's probably a reason why, but... Did I not load? Okay. Oh, that's why. Wait, is that? Give me a second. Everywhere I go, I see his face. Not anymore. Oh, we need. Fuck's sake. Oh, that could be why the fucking LED is still broken. Okay. What did in this break? Nothing. I don't know. The rage engine in itself is kind of wonky, and the fact, but they also have tools to do most of this shit. I think most of it they probably have tools that automate it to some degree, whereas we have to do it by hand. So